be different, but difficult to be better. Hey people, sorry Ps2 is not here with me, but I'm going to be making a video on this slime. Let's get started. Okay, so here's the slime. Poke it. Pokey, pokey, pokey. And this slime is really cool because the way it pokes, it's like really stretchy. I can't really do this with my hand. Okay, so you can see it's like really stretchy and it's clear. You can hear that noise. That sounds so good. And this Ps2, if y'all didn't know, go check out our other videos. We did a hair tutorial video and we did a squishy video. And our friend made all the squishies. So, sorry, I was singing a song. But, sorry, thing 1 is not here. I'm thing 2. I don't know what I'm doing. Or Ps2 1. Because, well, she's just not with me today. But I will send her this video for her to make her own video. And I'll just connect them. So she can be in the video, but like, look at this. See how clear that is? And I'm basically just gonna be interviewing this slime. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the red button down below. And make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you get notified when we post our new videos. And this slime was made from clear glue and laundry detergent. It's like the best slime in the world. What is my wrist? Look at my wrist is jack up. Jack up is jack up. And it's like really stretchy. And one day I'll make sure you guys how to make a music video. It's really pokey when you like roll it. So I roll it into a ball and then poke it. Do y'all hear that? No, this is really little, so I'll just get close up so y'all can think it's a big slime. Whoa, this is the biggest slime. It's covering up the whole camera. Just joking, guys. It's just a little bitty slime. And I'll just zoom in really close so you think it's a big slime. Oh, this is like the biggest slime I've ever made. It's so awesome. Okay, ASMR. Bye guys, make sure you hit that big red button down below to subscribe. Make sure you like and make sure you comment if you like this slime. And turn your bell notifications. Bye guys.